In this video, we'll show you how to clear your Instagram search history. So as you can see, I currently have a few accounts in my recent searches. If I want to clear them all, I can simply tap on this see all button right here. Tap on clear all and then tap on clear all again to confirm. Once you have done that, your Instagram search history will be cleared. However, if for some reason Instagram keeps showing you a specific account, like for instance, every time I type the letter B, it keeps showing me this Aman Gupta account because I have interacted with this particular account in the past. If you don't want Instagram to suggest a particular account, what you can do is open the profile. Here, tap the three dot icon and then select block and then select block to confirm. Once you have done that, you can clear your search history again, and now if I type the letter B, it will no longer show me this particular account. So this is an easy way to remove a specific account from your Instagram search suggestion. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Snitch.